guys, Mac Jose is coming back to another video with the video after the other video. Okay, so let's hurry this up because I have lots of stuff to do. Alright, so we're gonna start with this pistol. It's a yellow, orange, black, and gray pistol. Okay, it has nerf with the yellow printed on here. It has nerf strike on here, and this button is to pull out this to put the bullets in. Okay, next pistol. You have this pistol, my second favorite, which has a black printed nerf on here. Okay, and we have a nerf strike on this bottom of the half. We have this orange button to pull out. And this one you can actually see. And I have to spin it. I like to spin it and then flip it back in with a flick. Okay? And to make it shoot, flip it back and shoot. So let's have a pistol. Now we have another pistol long shotgun, which is this gun with a magazine. How to pull out the magazine is by pulling this back, opening this black lid right here, pressing this magazine button, and the magazine comes out. It fits 6 magazines, I believe. 6 bullets. Put it back in. Hook it. Alright. Now this is a long shotgun because this clips on here and this clips on. So it's actually a long shot. And the same thing. I like to do it fast because I like to do it like that. Put it back in. I can do it really fast. So here's it all around. Front shot. Yeah, it's really cool. I like the guns, and I bet if you could buy it too, you'll like them too. So this is my gun review, and for last time, this is the gun review. It should say it up here if I get my editing right. So the gun review, and go check out the ALZ custom. I can't talk right now. That's my new channel. That's me and my friend's new channel. And look out for the Nerf War. Anything about stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.